to the Office Olympics, today's featured event, the Invoice Approval Relay. And exchange, and unfortunately...
You know what's funny? That wasn't even the slow part. The slow part starts after someone realized the invoice was wrong. You're emailing purchasing, they're emailing the vendor, accounting's waiting. Nobody knows who's supposed to fix it. Let me show you a better way. Here's a pretty normal invoice. Pittsburgh Air System. Everything's already been captured automatically. Every line item has been extracted. The purchase order's been matched. So far, everything looks good until this. The purchase order says $437.73. The supplier invoice says $537.73. That's a $100 difference. Now maybe the supplier made a mistake. Maybe purchasing approved a price increase. I don't know yet, but before I approve anything, I'd like to ask. Instead of sending another email, I'm just going to bring purchasing directly into the invoice. I'll add Johnny as an approver, and I'll leave him a quick note. Can you take a look at this? The invoice is $100 higher than our negotiated PO. Done. Now here's what's nice. Johnny gets an email immediately. He can jump into Maker's Hub, or he doesn't even have to log in. He can review the invoice right from his browser. Johnny looks at the pricing, looks at the purchase order, and yeah, that's not right. The negotiated price is the one on the PO. So instead of another email chain, he just leaves a comment. This isn't the negotiated price. And then he clicks reject, changes requested. And this is probably my favorite part. Nobody has to wonder what happened. Nobody's asking, where'd the invoice go? Everything's right here. Rejected, changes requested, comments attached. Everyone's looking at the same conversation. Now, AP has a couple of options. If the supplier needs to correct the invoice, we can forward it directly to them. No copy and paste, no forwarding email chains, or if we already know the correct price, we can update it ourselves. Change the line, match the total. Done. The approval process keeps moving. Here's the thing. Rejecting an invoice isn't the goal. Finding a pricing mistake before you pay it, that's the goal. Because once the money leaves your account, it's a very different conversation. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. We'll see you next week for another Did You Know?